DXF AutoCAD? The year 2000? I wasn't even born yet. My goodness, what does all this mean, Mr. Vinson? Well, I'm glad you asked. Hello. We're going to take a look at what kind of file I want here for the DXF. Now, for one strange reason or another, the program that runs our laser doesn't run on SketchUp. And in fact, we use a program from Adobe called Adobe Illustrator or Adobe InDesign to send files to our laser cutter, which is all well and good, except it doesn't open or import SKP SketchUp files. And so that's where the DXF comes from. It's an AutoCAD interchange file, but it takes a very special type of AutoCAD interchange file for me to be able to laser cut it. Let's take a look at how to get this file. Heading all over into this program right here that we all know is SketchUp. First thing we do need to note here is I have gotten rid of the outline. I've left the outline. I've gotten rid of the filled in middle. That's really important. If yours is still filled in, go back a few videos. I'll show you how to delete it. Now that we're here, what I actually need to do is just like before, I'm clicking the three bars up there and we're going to export. But instead of going to ping or download, we're going to go to DXF, okay? And we're looking for a two-dimensional DXF file. If my view is all messed up like that, we have to fix it first. We did that in a previous video, but if you forgot how, you can click the clapboard and then you can click the angle that you're looking for. You want a straight, flat, just like this version of your animal for us to get the file correct. So we're going to click those three bars, export DXF 2D, 2Ds. Okay, there's two Ds, X and Y. We don't have any Z, there's no height. This is a two-dimensional piece, okay? We're gonna export the 2D, and now this next part is really important because if you leave it at AutoCAD 2013, I will not be able to laser cut your project. If you leave it at AutoCAD 2013, I won't be able to open it and see if you've done it right. You need to click it, go back in time, this is a time machine, all the way back to the year 2000, okay? We're gonna open it up, AutoCAD 2000, all of the rest of this is fine. If you notice that you're not in millimeters, you've got a different problem that we need to address. All of our documents should be millimeters, okay? What's gonna happen right now? We're gonna go down and we're gonna click export. I'm not changing any of this, please do not change any of this. Click export. The only thing you're changing is AutoCAD 2000. Click export. Now what happens here is it's actually sending the file off to the SketchUp cloud to be processed. It doesn't happen right here on our computers. It happens on SketchUp servers. Saves a little bit of processing power for us, and honestly, it's not a problem. When it's done, it'll have this green box at the top. Click download. Just like with the SKP file, those downloaded files are now inside a folder on our computer. It might take just a little bit of time to locate them. It looks like mine's not in the downloads folder. What's up with that? But right here, it's at the bottom, and I can click the little up arrow, and I can click show in folder. Once I click show in folder, I'll see, oh, it actually is in the downloads folder. It just hadn't updated yet. But if yours didn't show up there, it'll be where it is, right here. I can head back over into Teams, just like I did with the SKP. I'm gonna click insert atop the ribbon, file as attachment. Choose file. The file I want is now in my downloads, turtle.dxf, and I'm going to click open. Once I click open, I'm going to click insert, and just like before, let's watch that circle spin. As soon as it spins for just a little bit, it's going to turn into a white piece of paper. That means it's done. Any questions? Come back to the Teams meeting and ask, but I think you should be able to figure that part of it out.